As-salaamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Halal Talk Show, where we uncover the truth about restaurants, brands, and products so you can eat with confidence. Today's episode is about Halal Gyro Express, a popular spot that serves New York-style halal street food. The big question is it really halal? Halal Gyro Express is known for its flavorful chicken and lamb gyros, rice platters, falafel, wraps, kabobs, and fresh salads. The food is fast, filling, and inspired by the classic halal cart style that so many people love. Now let's talk about the halal status. The restaurant clearly advertises itself as halal in its name and on its menu. Most locations are Muslim owned and claim to use meat from halal certified suppliers. Many Muslim customers have confirmed through reviews and personal experiences that the food is indeed halal. However, just like with any restaurant, we must be cautious. The halal label on the sign doesn't always guarantee proper certification. Some branches may display certificates while others may not, and practices can differ from one location to another. That's why it's always best to ask the staff directly about their halal suppliers before eating. So, the verdict: Halal Gyro Express is generally halal and trusted, especially where certification is shown and Muslim ownership is clear. But as Muslims, we should always verify rather than assume. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever eaten at Halal Gyro Express? Did you see halal certification at your local branch? And what's your favorite dish from their menu? Share your experience in the comments below so the whole community can benefit. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Halal Talk Show for more halal reviews and guidance every week. As-salaamu Alaikum wa rahmatullah.